Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the incredible iPhone 12 Pro. This phone has everything you could possibly want and more. With 6GB of RAM and 128/256/512GB of storage, you'll never have to worry about running out of space for your photos, videos, and apps. The 6.1 Super Retina OLED display is absolutely stunning, providing crisp and vibrant colors that will bring your content to life. But that's not all. The A14 chip and iOS running the show mean that this phone is incredibly fast and responsive, making it perfect for all of your multitasking needs. And with Face ID, unlocking your phone has never been easier or more secure. Not to mention, this phone is 5G compatible, so you'll be able to take advantage of blazing fast internet speeds wherever you go. And the best part? This phone is 98% new and completely original, so you can trust that you're getting a top quality product. So if you're in the market for a new phone that delivers on every front, then look no further than the iPhone 12 Pro. Trust me, once you pick this phone up, you won't be able to put it down. And the best part is, you can get your hands on it right now by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. This phone is a game changer. Subscribe for more amazing content and hit that link to get your hands on the iPhone 12 Pro now.